everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Hope you enjoyed the little intro. Just a little shot while I went running with our dog recently. So I've been pretty busy, and sorry for not posting a few more videos recently, but I've got a bunch in the works. So hopefully you'll be back and seeing some pretty interesting stuff coming up soon. I've got a lot of seeds sprouting, and I'll have a bunch of different videos on how to grow different things from seed. So hopefully that's interesting. That's coming up soon. Today I just wanted to give you guys kind of another video on reusing things, and you know, what you can do with things that are, you know, deemed as trash, or things that you know, most people don't think of as being useful. So one thing that I have been doing a lot of right now is, like I said, sprouting seeds and growing things that will later get transplanted out into the garden, or hopefully. And you know, here's like an example. You got a big, you know, plastic bucket. You could recycle this, obviously, but what I'm going to do is basically just put a hole in the bottom, use the lid as a little you know, plate for it, and then any excess water that comes out will be held up like that. Same thing if you've got like these little tomato, you know, like you get the cherry tomatoes in these nice little plastic things. You can chop off the lid and then put that at the bottom, and, you know, put this at the top, fill it with soil, and then you've got yourself a nice little container. You got some of the bigger ones, same thing. You know, you can put some little, you know, trees in here, and then, you know, transplant them out later. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of share that. And then also I'm going to share with you something that I think is really great. I've been thinking a lot recently about how to get mulch, and I've really kind of missed the fall time, you know, rush when everybody's putting out all their leaves and everything to the curb, because they don't know that you're supposed to leave the leaves on the ground, as Brad Lancaster likes to say, and I really love that quote. So you know, I've missed that, and now that we have had Christmas, most people have taken down their Christmas tree. We haven't yet, but they've been putting them to the curb. And here where I'm living, there's going to be 2 pickups. One of them is coming up this Saturday, and another one's going to be the following Saturday, I think. So basically, a lot of people have already been putting out their trees. And here I am thinking, like, okay, that's perfect, you know, organic matter that I can use, either, you know, just to compost it or mulch it, and then, you know, put that into the garden. So that's what I've been working on a bunch of days now. I've just been, whenever I've been coming and going and I see a little tree, I just throw it in the back of the car and put it in the garden. So yeah, it's really awesome. And I just wanted to, you know, share that as an idea. I actually sort of got the idea from a comment that I saw in a video recently, where somebody said that you know, that's a good way to get free mulch. Obviously it's not going to be completely free, because I do need to get some kind of you know, rental mulcher. I don't want to buy a machine just for use, you know, once or twice a year, but I'll rent something or talk to somebody who has one maybe, and see if we can, you know, get them to come over. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I had for today. Hopefully a lot more videos coming up that are interesting to you. And if you liked the little clip at the beginning, I'm going to include a full clip at the end. And if you're interested in my music, which I'm playing during that little clip, you can check out my music channel, which is also linked in my like about thing or whatever, like on the channel page. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Check it out, and see you soon. I will be renting a chipper, and I'm going to chip all of this stuff down, as well as probably some of that brush, and definitely all of that as well. And then we will be able to get some good mulch out of this. So that's the plan. In fact, I'm probably going to hopefully get a lot more trees. These are ones I picked up from the curb, and I hope to get a bunch more. I feel like it's Christmas all over again. As I'm driving around, I'm just seeing all these beautiful Christmas trees thrown out, and I'm collecting as many as I can. So here's another one that I just got right now. And again, you know, I'm not even really going out of my way. I'm just picking the ones up on, you know, on any of my errands or where I'm kind of coming and going. And this one's actually quite good. So what I plan on doing is chopping off the branches and using the center to use as like a a pole where I can run up like blueberries, or maybe later on like grapes or something, like trellising. So yeah, I'll probably look for a few more big ones like this and then try to do the same thing. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully you got a kick out of it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks to everybody for watching and subscribing, and please share this with a friend if you enjoyed it. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.